Gemini, December 2024 is calling. Are you ready for the twists and turns it's bringing? This month is packed with energy that challenges you to think deeply, act wisely, and most importantly, stay connected to your inner truth. Mercury, your ruling planet, goes retrograde from November 25th to December 15th, stirring up communication hiccups and asking you to double-check everything, emails, plans, even the way you express your feelings. Before we dive into your health, career, finances, and love life predictions, I have a quick request. Please like this video. Your support means so much and keeps us inspired to bring you these insights. And don't forget to share your wishes for 2025 in the comments. Let's manifest abundance, love, and joy together. All right, Gemini, let's unpack December step by step. First, let's talk about your well-being. December might feel like a bit of a juggling act, with Mercury retrograde throwing its usual curveballs. This could leave you feeling mentally scattered or even physically drained. My advice? Don't try to do it all at once. Schedule in moments of calm, whether that's a quiet walk in nature or a few minutes of deep breathing before bed. Pay special attention to your diet and digestion this month. A few indulgences during the holiday season are fine, but listen to your body and prioritize balance. December 12th, under the new moon in Sagittarius, is a great day to set health intentions and start small, sustainable habits. Now, when it comes to work, Mercury retrograde will put your problem-solving skills to the test. Miscommunications with colleagues or delays in projects might crop up, especially during the first half of the month. Don't worry, though, these hiccups aren't permanent. In fact, by December 15th, when Mercury stations direct, you'll feel a surge of clarity and focus. Pro tip, double-check contracts, presentations, or major decisions before that date. The full moon in Cancer on December 26th will bring closure to something work-related, perhaps finalizing a project or even reflecting on your career path. Trust that the hard work you've put in all year is about to pay off. Money matters might require a cautious approach this month. With Mercury retrograde playing tricks, hold off on signing any big financial agreements or making impulsive purchases. Instead, use this time to review your budget and see where you can save for future goals. The new moon on December 12th could bring some creative ideas for earning extra income, maybe a freelance opportunity or a side project. Keep your eyes open for these, but take your time weighing the pros and cons. After all, slow and steady wins the race. Gemini, the heart wants what it wants, but December asks you to be patient. Mercury retrograde might stir up some confusion in communication with a partner or a potential love interest. If you feel misunderstood, don't rush to react. Take a deep breath and clarify your thoughts before speaking. The new moon on December 12th is perfect for starting fresh in love, whether that means deepening an existing bond or opening your heart to someone new. Singles might feel a spark around this time, especially if you're open to meeting someone outside your usual type. By the full moon on December 26th, relationships will feel more emotionally aligned. Expect meaningful conversations and a deeper understanding of what you truly want. Gemini, December is all about slowing down, reflecting, and preparing yourself for the incredible opportunities coming in 2025. Embrace the slower pace of Mercury retrograde as a chance to recharge and reevaluate what's important. The key is to stay flexible and patient. You've got this. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update. Together, we'll navigate the stars and make 2025 your best year yet.